This video introduces how to calibrate the tool coordinate system. First, log into the web app. Click on Initial and Find Base. Select Coordinate. Select TCP. Before calibrating the tool coordinate system, need to make sure that the default coordinate system 0 is applied. Since the default coordinate system cannot be modified, need to select other coordinate system. Select Tool Coordinate System 1. Click Modify to select Multi-Point Manual Calibration. Select Tool. Calibration methods for tool coordinate systems are divided into 4-point and 6-point methods. The 4-point method only calibrates the positional relationship of the end tools. The 6-point method also simultaneously calibrates the end tool position. The 4-point method requires points to be calibrated in the same way as the first 4 points of the 6-point. This video is an example of the 6-point method of calibration. Before calibrating the end tool, we need to find a fixed piece of equipment to use as a reference point. Start by calibrating the first point. Align the end of the robot's end tool with the external fixing tip in any position. Drag the robot to the pose. Click on Set Point 1. Calibrate the second point, changing the robot's pose. Align the end of the robot end tool again to the external fixed point. Click on Set Point 2. Calibration of the third point. Keep adjusting your pose. Align the end of the robot end tool again to the external fixed point. Click on Set Point 3. Drag robot. Move the tool vertically to the end of the external fixing. Click on Set Point 4. Maintain the pose. Move a distance horizontally. This direction is the positive direction of the x-axis of the set tool coordinate system. Click on Set Point 5. Back to Point 4. Move vertically for a distance. This direction is the positive direction of the z-axis of the tool coordinate system. The positive direction of the tool coordinate system y is determined by the right-hand rule. Click on Set Point 6. Click to calculate. Click Save. At this point, the 6-point calibration is complete. Move the robot to see the effect. This is the introduction of the robot tool coordinate system calibration. Thanks.